Well, it's interesting to meet with a lot of old friends, make a few contacts.
You've got all of the key decision makers in a small place.
This event in particular is very dense, so you can get a lot done in a very short period of time.
We need situations where people can actually get together and align themselves.
It's the place where you can discuss and where you have all with these booths, you have the place to exchange ideas.
I think it's just a great moment in time to come together and energize the Swiss biotech industry here in Basel at this event.
I actually didn't know how much was going on in Swiss biotech until I started to read the conference agenda and see all the companies that are here. So I find it quite exciting that there's so much energy here. I know there's lots of smart people and talented people in Switzerland. So it'll be a good opportunity to interact and engage with the leaders here.
Over the last 20 to 30 years, the Swiss biotech industry has evolved, has grown consistently, and today is one of the world-leading biotech hubs. This is supported by optimal framework conditions, by the talents needed to develop novel drugs, to build these companies. And if we look forward, this is certainly what we need to focus on.
We want to offer full service to our partners, and this includes today already the whole value chain, but there's probably even more. Also, we have to look into new platform technologies. We have to look into probably also into logistics. So there is enough room to further expand.
Years ago, we had a vote here in Switzerland actually to prohibit gene manipulation and use of gene manipulated animals, for instance, which would have been a major impact for the research here in Switzerland. And out of that, the Swiss Biotech Association grew now to the Association for all the industry, and we have still a couple of issues to be solved in Switzerland in order to improve framework conditions for the biotech companies here in Switzerland.
There are three key success factors, and they are called people, people, and people. Okay? I mean, not only you need great scientists, but you need great people who actually believe in that, and with a can-do attitude, they should really try to translate that into medicines.
Switzerland is a very innovative country. We are really an early adapter.
Innovation, young, and the future. If you add up all the sales from all the pharma companies, it's 1 trillion. 10% of it comes from this little city of Basel. That's amazing. There are not many cities that can claim 100 billion in sales.